Hey everybody, it's Nicole, Pampered Chef. So I thought I would get my blender out. I have all these amazing strawberries. Let me show you all these strawberries that I have that I got from Apple Farm. So I got this whole medium-sized bowl full. We've actually already eaten some. So probably needed a larger one, but we've already eaten some. So I have cleaned these. I did a vinegar. I did 1 part vinegar, 3 to 4 cups water. I did soak them in my seat because I have a lot of those. You can do your stainless bowl if you have a big enough one and don't have as many strawberries. But y'all normally when you buy a gallon, you're really going to have to use that large 24 cup bowl, or you're going to have to do your sink, that kind of thing. You do not cap them, keep the cap on, okay? Now these are only going to be stored in your stainless steel bowls if they're going in the refrigerator, okay? So I have cleaned them. Y'all can see they're super clean. I've left the cap on there, so once we get ready to eat them, I'll cap them as I eat them, okay? So again, don't forget, y'all can use these for smoothies. You can just eat them, throw some sugar over top. I'm gonna make some whipped cream. We're gonna throw some whipped cream over mine. We're making homemade whipped cream and not out of a container, y'all. Y'all know the ones out of a container are not good for you, okay? So measuring spoon at the rescue. Y'all know this is my favorite. So we're gonna do blender, because I know we have a whipped cream maker, but a lot of y'all have the blender and you probably didn't know that you can make whipped cream in here, okay? So we're gonna take this off. I have 16 ounces of whipping cream. We're only going to do a cup, okay? Y'all do that grows, so I don't need 4 cups of whipping cream. We'll probably make some more before it's all said and done, but I'm just going to make a little bit. So I probably need to measure that because that is way down there. We get a measuring cup real quick. We're going to measure all cup. Y'all, this is the smaller one, so we're going to do a cup here. Okay, we're gonna throw that in our blender. We're gonna do custom setting. We're gonna let that kind of pump a little bit, and then we're gonna add all of our ingredients in there. So it might get loud for a little bit, but you'll see what it does, okay? So we've got it on custom blend right now. I'm gonna do a custom one, so that's kind of a lower. So the higher custom that you go up means the faster, okay? So you don't wanna go super fast to begin with. So we're just gonna hit the start button. It's already thickening up in there. All right, we're gonna knock it up to 2, maybe 3. And all it does is speed faster, as y'all can see. All right, we're getting the whip. I can already see it, so I'm gonna take the lid off now. Now, we almost have whipped cream now, okay? Now what we're gonna do is and this is your choice and your flavor when it comes to that. The recipe typically calls for 1 to 2 tablespoons of confectionery sugar. It is your choice on what you want to throw in here. I'm a 3 girl, okay, so it's totally your choice how sweet or how not sweet you want it. So we got those in there, and then we're gonna do our vanilla. I hope you have some vanilla. Just a reminder, you cannot buy this. Hopefully it'll be back for the holidays, okay? But I am going to typically you put a teaspoon in here. I've got my tablespoon, so I'm just gonna kind of add a little bit in here. This is why I don't bake, y'all. This is why I don't bake. I don't like to measure stuff. I don't like to follow directions, and you have to follow directions when you bake. It's not my favorite. Okay, so now we're gonna put the lid back on, and we're gonna finish it up, and we're gonna have some whipped cream, y'all. Right, it's done, y'all. Oh my goodness. Y'all look at this. Look at that. We got whipped cream. Okay. So then whipped creams are going on my strawberries, okay, or whatever else you want to use it for. But I just thought I'd come show you how easy it is, especially those that have the blender and you've never made homemade whipped cream. It is amazing. It does not taste like anything out of the can, and you don't have all these chemicals, okay? So if you need help, reach out, and thanks for joining. Bye.